is we, all of us here in RMN consider him as a radyo man, although he is now the congressman of the 5th District of Negros Occidental. How about we we lend our ears to Honorable Congressman Dino Yulo.
Mayong aga sa tanan, binigit sa kay Sir Eric, ang bugos nga Canoy family. I noticed that all of your names starts with letter E. So pwede ako mapa-adapt kay Emilio. Father Raymond, basi makanoy man lang. Of course, si Mayor Greg, si Attorney Distrito, ari makay na si Consial Al, ang aton bugos nga mga lain-lain nga mga RMN gikan sa lain-lain nga probinsya diri sa Western Visayas kag labi na gid sa mga subong diri sa RMN Bacolod nga naging kaupod man naton sa malawig nga tinion. Mayong aga sa inyo tanan. May halambalanon kita sa Ilonggo or maski sa Tagalog man kung may utang dapat bayaran. So my presence this morning is because we need to pay a debt forever ingrained in us. RMN has always been a part of our public service also, particularly si Sir Johnny and the whole RMN. Let me just take this opportunity to thank RMN. We just went through one of the hardest, most powerful typhoons we had just a couple of months ago, specifically Typhoon Tino. And the first private organization to help us out was RMN. So thank you, maraming salamat. You know, about 20 years ago, I was invited to be part of Den Radyo Agong. Sa una, kung may problema, kaduwa lang ipaagong mo, hindi pa walang pang ipatulpo. Ipaagong mo. Was a common connotation before. When you had problems then, of course, ipaagong na lang na. Subong hindi na ipa-Facebook na. Walang problema na ni Mayor Greg. But in any event, that experience shaped what we are today. So that I have a program by the way right now, ang SSS sa barangay. That is a product of our Radio Mindanao network. Because when I was here, our biggest clientele then was SSS members. I remember serving them all over the province. So I used that as an inspiration to develop our own program in the district, which now caters to about 14,000 clients per year. That's the biggest number of clients of any regular SSS office all over the Philippines. So if there's that program, credit to RMN and how it has inspired other programs. So sa liwat, congratulations Sir Johnny sa bugos ninyo nga RMN sa bag-o ninyo nga balay dire. Of course, madamo nga salamat sa inyong inspirasyon ginhatag hindi lang diri sa Bacolod, sa Negros, kundi sa bugos nato nga pungsod. Congratulations kag mayang agas po.
Thank you very much, Congressman Attorney Dino Yulo. Thank you for gracing our inauguration and blessing this morning, Attorney. Thank you. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to pass the microphone